Lesson 2.3D, divide integers. The rules for multiplying integers and dividing integers are exactly the same. So if you've already got it memorized from the last lesson, then you should be good to go. The quotient of two integers with different signs is negative, and the same sign is positive. So if you take a positive divided by a negative or a negative divided by a positive, the signs are different, it's going to be negative. If they have the same sign, it's positive. So if we look at these couple of examples they give us, 30 divided by negative 5, they have different signs. So it's going to be negative, and you take 30 divided by 5, it's 6. Okay, the next example, negative 100 divided by negative 5. The signs are the same, so it's positive. And 100 divided by 5 is 20. Any questions before we start with our examples? Okay, let's look and see how this works out. We're going to do just the odds. So we're going to try to get kids that have not already gotten tickets. So number 1, negative 12 divided by 4. Jacob, what would that be? Positive 3. It's a negative divided by a positive. The signs are different. Negative 3. Signs are different. It's negative. Signs are the same. It's positive. Okay, number 3. 18 divided by negative 2. Daniel, what do you think? So it's a positive divided by a negative. Negative 9. Negative 9. Okay, negative 10 divided by 10. Reese?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Okay, what about 350 divided by negative 25? 350 divided by negative 25. Have you gotten a ticket? Yeah. Andrew?
It would be negative 10.
It's not 10.
Negative 1.
So let's think about this. 25, think of it as quarters. How many quarters would be $3.50, you think?
14.
Yeah, negative 14. Okay, we're not even going to worry about number 9. You guys could do that one. We're going to skip ahead to these. Evaluate each expression. D is negative 24, E is negative 4, and F is 8. So we're going to look at number 11. Caden, have you already gotten a ticket? Okay, Caden, we need 12 divided by E, which really means 12 divided by what, Caden?
Negative 4, which should be negative 3.
Negative 3. Okay, number 13, D divided by 6. Brennan, what's that really going to be?
Negative 24 divided by 6.
Negative 24 divided by 6, what would that be, Brennan? Negative 4. Okay, let's do number 17. Number 17, it's negative D over E. But D is already negative 24. So D is negative of negative 24 divided by negative 4. That's just plugging the numbers in. So I wanted to make sure I did this one. What would a negative of negative 24 be? A negative of negative 24. Nico, what would that be? Do what? No, wait a minute. Let's go back to this question. What's the negative of negative 24? 24. And then what's 24 divided by negative 4? Negative 6. That's it. That's it. Okay. I think we're good. Does anybody have any questions? Yep.
So if it has negative or negative negative 24, the 24 turns into a positive.
Absolutely. It's the opposite of negative 24 is what that's saying. When it's saying negative of negative 24, it's saying what's the opposite of negative 24, which is positive 24. Okay? All right. Did that mess anybody else up? We okay? Any questions?
So when there's a negative, so when there's two negatives and right by each other, the first negative would be a positive?
No, when it's a negative of a negative, it changes it to, yeah, a positive. Because, yesterday when we had two signs side by side like that,
Yeah.
when those two signs side by side were the same, what did we change it to?
Negative or positive?
If it was two signs that were the same, we made it to a positive, didn't we? So it's kind of the same idea like that from yesterday.
Okay.
All right.